Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies Ghirardelli. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8 pan with parchment. Melt Ghirardelli chocolate and butter until glossy and smooth, then set aside. Whisk eggs and sugar, add vanilla, then fold in flour and salt carefully to avoid overmixing. Pour batter into the prepared pan and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Cool fully before slicing for clean squares for everybody. Gather high-quality ingredients and measure carefully to get consistent brownies every time. Use Ghirardelli chocolate and unsalted butter for a rich base, and 1 cup sugar with 2 large eggs for structure. Stir in 3/4 cup flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optionally, add 1/2 teaspoon espresso powder to deepen chocolate notes. Mix gently until combined and avoid overworking the batter to keep the texture fudgy and tender. Quick recommendation: if you want easy transport for your brownies, try leak-proof containers that prevent drips and keep treats fresh during potlucks. They make meal prep and dessert sharing way less stressful and far more presentable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and kitchen tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch bake time closely since small changes affect fudginess and texture. Start checking at 25 minutes. A toothpick with moist crumbs means fudgy brownies. Rotate the pan halfway to promote even color and doneness, and tent with foil if edges brown too fast. If center is slightly underdone, cooling will finish the set without drying. Always cool fully before slicing to achieve clean squares and the best chew in every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.